Hey friends, if you wish to find packet loss on Windows, then please watch this video. So ideally the ping command is sufficient for that, but still I will give you a ping address. Okay, I have shared it in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for a while. You'll get the ping details. It will ping it 4 times or more, and check if there is any packet loss here. Okay, this is like an excellent way. I mean, it's just sending such so many pings. Usually, if I was to ping a website, it would only send 4 pings. But you can get a good idea whether it is getting replies or not. And we are getting reply from 1.1.1.1 and so on. So you can wait for a while and check if there is any loss. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.